Look at this, clear skies, guys. Got the trailer. I'm gonna load that up. We just jumped some cars. Yeah, we just ripped the element around, jumped it. And then Brian called and he's like, hey, I wanna get a car loaded up. So I'm like, yeah, done. Let's go to the scrapyard. So I haven't actually called the scrapyard yet. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, they have a car there for us to get, but I'm gonna take one or two of them back because I'm starting to get a bit of a pile, bit of a collection going down the track. So the greenhouse is clean. Look at this, guys. She's clean. So I don't think I'll be doing Toby Tuesday in there anymore. Zen's locked her up. But oh well. Anyways, let's head down the track. We'll load up that car and we'll get things ripping here. Fingers crossed we can get another car. It says it's gonna be crappy weather all week, but it looks like we're gonna have good weather all week. But the clouds are starting to roll in. I'm hoping it doesn't get worse. If anyone wants a hot air balloon ride, cloudchasers.ca if you're in the London area. So anyways, let's load up this trailer and do the old carry on. Carry on, boys. All right, time to get rid of the Ford. The boss is here. This thing didn't do too much for us, so it's time to get rid of the old girl. I wish we could have jumped it, but it didn't want to be jumped apparently. Getting rid of the Ford. He's pushing me backwards though. Get rid of this bumper as well. Whoop. Woo. Don't want to pop that tire. All right, the girl's loaded up. We got our coffees. We're gonna head to the scrapyard. Fingers crossed they got something for us, but if not, well, at least we got a nice little road trip out of it. But yeah, let's continue on here. Well, we're headed to the scrapyard. We got the old Ford 500. I was really hoping to jump that weapon, but definitely didn't have much life left in it. Brad took it through the mud there. And then we're gonna do the fire video, and all of a sudden the engine just popped or blew a rod or something. I'm no mechanic, I don't know. So figured load that one up for today. We just finished trying to jump the element. We didn't get a full jump, we just got a nice barrel roll there. So it did a full flip, well, almost a full flip. Full flip after we flipped it with a tractor. But yeah, let's get to the scrapyard and see what they got for us. And fingers crossed they got something for us. And if not, well, the video will be short today. Back of the yard. Let's see what they got for us. Propane and propane accessories. Oof, time to get rid of the weapon. Barely even a dent on her. Let's see. We'll get rid of her. Maybe I'll give her the old toss for us. Yeah, I was really hoping we could do something fun with this thing, but not today. Later, car. Thanks for nothing. You gonna drop it for us? Oh yeah. Oh, maybe not. What a piece of crap Ford. All right, let's see what else he's got here. How much did you pay for those boots?
I was just joking.
Well, we're dragging our feet. No new cars today, so we're gonna head home. And apparently Grayson's gonna take his Dodge out in the mud. You sure you want to take your Dodge out in the mud?
Let's jump it.
You want to jump it? end up on top of the element. Oh man. Well, we tried. He's gonna keep us posted on the scrapyard in case anything else comes in. Then we'll take those other cars back and do a little swap, and then hopefully it'll be dried up by next week. But
And the element starts.
Never notice with this. You never know with this Canadian weather.
Canadian.
So maybe the element will start tomorrow. You never know. We're waiting for the Freon to settle. So
yeah.
Anyways, let's head back and maybe do a couple donuts in the Dodge.
Probably a couple few anyway.
Couple fews. And we're back to the old compound here. A little disappointed we couldn't get another car, but that's fine. We'll find other stuff to do. So anyways, he's got this Dodge that he wants to rip up and get a little footage. So he's gonna do a few donuts and I'm gonna jump in it. We'll do some drone footage. And yeah, hopefully he doesn't get stuck or anything. I don't like washing trucks after either. It's not too fun, but he seems to want to do it, so I don't know what he's doing over there. Waiting for, probably trying to get him 4x. Oh yeah. Just ripping up. Don't hit the hump. The old sideways drift. I told him not to get me and he got me. Of course. Oh well, it's always about the shot. Rip up that Dodge. Ugh. All I can think about is the pressure washing after. Round and round we go. Round and round we go. Alright, I guess it's my turn to rip her up for a little bit. She definitely needs a wash now, that's for sure. Slop City. Had a clean box. She's a little muddy now. Sloppy, sloppy, sloppy. It was definitely wet down here. You got me!
I know.
I told you not to.
Well, you shouldn't have done that.
Alright, my turn. Let's see what we can get. We're up in the sky. Alright. Good luck.
Good luck to you, sir.
Alright, let's get this Dodge a little muddier. Oh. Did I put the tailgate up? I can't remember.
No.
Hit the tailgate.
My bad. So go down there. Right?
Yeah.
Face it this way and then I'll thumbs up when the drone's ready.
Okay. Well, that's a wrap. The Dodge is officially muddy. It's not too muddy, but she's definitely muddy underneath, that's for sure. You're gonna have fun cleaning this thing, eh?
Well, I'm not cleaning it.
I'm not cleaning it. Maybe someone else is a problem. Yeah. Hopefully they don't see the YouTube video.
No.
Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry we couldn't get another car, but you know, we did what we could with what we had. So we couldn't get another car, but then we ended up going mudding with the Dodge anyway. So she is good to go. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, leave some nice comments, hit the notifications bell. I post videos every day, so 365 days a year, there will be a video up there. But yeah, thank you guys again. Hope you enjoyed it. Have the best day. Go crush it, and we'll see you later.